Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 32 exponent x equals 0.25. 32 exponent x equals 0.25. So let's begin. The first thing we want to do when solving exponential equations is to make the bases the same, right? So let's try and get both of them to a base of 2, right? So 32 is the same as 2 exponent 5, and 0.25, which is a quarter, is going to be 2 exponent negative 2. 1 over 4, that's 1 over 2 squared, so 2 exponent negative 2, right? The next thing we'll do is apply the power rule on the left-hand side, which says a to the power x, if all of that is raised to the power y, and that is going to equal a to the power x times y. So 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power x is going to come 2 to the power 5 times x, right? So we have 2 to the power 5x equals 2 to the power minus 2. And now we have the bases all being 2. And we know if the bases are the same, you can equate the powers, right? So if a exponent x equals a exponent y, then x is equal to y. So in this case, I have negative 5x equals negative 2, right? 5x equals negative 2. And now we can divide both sides by 5. You have x equals negative 2 over 5. And final answer, x equals minus 2 over 5. So that's how to solve a question like this. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.